at the moment, it seems like you're at this stage where you're mostly able to count on early adopters and inbound. And then at some point in time, you'll have to move to more mainstream and do more outbound, right? What's your plan to consolidate this fragmented industry?
Yeah. So again, from the focus on our side is really to make our customers happy. And
Yeah.
we're really looking at the numbers and how many tasks are open, how can we close it faster, implementing SLAs, really making sure that everything is flowing in the
Hmm.
right manner. And that's kind of like our compass going forward. And in terms of growing, we have, you know, as I said, a lot of place to grow just in New York, New Jersey, expanding to more states. And we're really excited about, in the end to be in all 50 states. And really that's what's exciting for us. It's a huge market. There are like 365,000 HOAs just in the US.
Wow.
They are being managed by 18,000 property managers. So it's a very fragmented industry as well. For us, it's really just continuing to grow and with more and more communities every month.
Yeah, and those are the best industries, right? Those old-fashioned industries ripe for disruption. I love it. So, Yotam, you also mentioned you have teams both in Tel Aviv and New York, right? So, how do you manage that divide between the two teams?
Yeah, so in our Tel Aviv, in Israel office, we have the product and R&D. My co-founder and CTO sits over there. They develop all the really cool and sophisticated technology that we built, from the neighbors app to the dashboard that we have for the board members to the brain we call Meadow that automates and uses all
Hmm.
the agents that we mentioned before. And so they are developing all of that. And then here we have basically all the operations, marketing,
Yeah,
etc. And so, yeah, it's not easy, but it was like that in my previous company as well. I learned a lot from there. So we are doing a lot of activities to really connect everyone together. We have a screen that is open in both offices.
like a portal.
Yeah, so
I
it's a
love it.
coffee place where people get coffee. They can actually see each other and shout, hey, what's up, etc. We fly a lot of people, right?
Good, good, good. Yeah, yeah.
Can really connect and understand. And so that we do as well a lot. But overall, again, there is a lot of connection between the teams. There is a lot of back and forth. We use the Slack for the internal communication. So there is a lot of really good and positive communication. And I think it really brings a lot of the good of two worlds, right, into to what we're doing today.
Exactly. So no matter how many engineers you have, of course, you still always have to prioritize, right? So how do you decide what to buy, what to build in your tech stack, and what to ditch altogether?
Great question. I think it changes, obviously, as you said, but in the end, I think our decision was very different than a lot of other startups. So a lot of startups, even in the real estate world, in PropTech world, said, okay, we'll build, this feature, we'll build this app. Our belief is the only way to really change the fundamental of this industry is to be a full stack AI native property management, to
Yeah.
actually own the service end to end. That
Hmm.
enables us to really rethink things that have been operating in a certain way for decades
Yeah.
and actually make decision according to the data, according to our customer satisfaction, as opposed to making decision according to, that's the way it's been done for years, right? So in terms of decision of what we're building, we are really focusing on, first of all, the interface for the customers to enable them to get all the communication they need. The first feature we released was the dashboard for the board members, after the app for the residents. So that's really where we invested a lot of time to really create that trust, because this industry really lacks a lot of trust. So we invested a lot in communication and making sure that people are aware of what's happening, how much money they have in the bank,
Yeah.
what's happening with this stuff. So we invested a lot on that. And then in the back, we obviously took every core service of property management and we built this very sophisticated workflow that uses AI and agents in order to automate and to make things faster and to resolve things, yeah, in a faster manner.